When FOURA was installed, the FOURA menu icon was placed on the Windows Start menu, and a shortcut was also placed on the desktop. But depending on your personal preference, you can also pin the FOURA shortcut to the Windows taskbar. But for this training video, we'll launch FOURA from the shortcut found on the desktop. To launch FOURA, double-click the shortcut and the FOURA login screen will appear. Now users will need to select the database for which they want to work on. Most of us will have the option to log into the production or the training database. But for this tutorial, we're going to select the FOURAsoft database. Now we need to enter our login credentials. This consists of our username and a password. A quick note about passwords. Your system administrator can establish a minimum password strength, so you'll need to make sure that your password is of sufficient complexity to meet the minimum requirements set forth by your FOURA administrator. But once that's done, the next thing you'll need to do is to decide if you want to select the Save Password checkbox. This can be a huge convenience for users who repeatedly log into the same computer. So we only recommend placing a check if it's a dedicated computer that you're going to use frequently. All that's left to do now is select the Login button. The FOURA Navigator will appear and you're ready to work. Please be sure to check out additional tutorials to learn more about FOURA's powerful features, processes, and tips. Thanks for watching.